Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find additional settings. As you can see, on the second position we've got languages and input, so simply enter and tap on languages on the very first position. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to set. I will pick French, so simply tap on it. As you can see, it is marked. What's more, your device is telling you, is informing you that it will change the language, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, the language has been actually immediately applied, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu, the whole device actually will be in the chosen language, so in my case in French. Let me show it to you again. All you have to do is simply tap on the language. I will pick obviously English because I'm not very good at the French. So just confirm it with OK, and the same situation, the language has been immediately changed. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.